Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday. It is 12 o'clock. It is so freaking nice outside. Ugh, I literally love this weather so much. So I'm in like such a good mood, and I don't know, the first half of my morning or day, I should say, it's been slow. Like I feel like I'm just not being productive. So the second half, I'm literally going to get everything that I need to get done. That's my plan at least. So it should be a busy afternoon, but it will be a good afternoon, hopefully. Get all the things done. Tonight we have Brad's soccer game that he's coaching, so I'm gonna go to that. I hope it stays this temperature. I haven't looked, but I'll bring like a blanket just in case. And then we won't be home until like 10, so it's gonna be kind of late soccer game. But I'm excited to go and support him, of course. I'm gonna bring my book and my AirPods so I can like listen to a podcast or something, but it's fine. I enjoy watching soccer, kind of. But anyways, I'm gonna take you guys, like I said, along with me this weekend. I think this weekend's supposed to be really nice out, so hopefully we'll do something. We'll actually leave the apartment. It's so hard. If you're from like New England or a colder climate, then you know, like it's just so hard to want to do anything when it's like so freaking cold out. But the first day of spring is on Sunday, so hopefully no more snow and only sunny and 60s and 70s weather from here. But anyways, I am going to start prepping dinner. I want to get that done so that way when Brad gets home, we're good to go. And I'll take you guys along with me this weekend. Hey guys, so it is now 4 o'clock. I'm just about done work, which is great. I'm just finishing dinner. It has 20 minutes to cook, so perfect timing. Well, I'm obviously not gonna eat at 4 o'clock, but it's done, so that's good. But anyways, yeah, today's been a good day. I mean, like I said, the sun is out. It's really nice out. You can hear people. I apologize. The windows are open and they're talking about their motorcycles. But real talk, so confetti babe, first few months of the year for a lot of businesses, especially retail, it's really slow. People are recovering from the holidays and it's just tough. So I've been feeling a little like discouraged. Like, do I want to keep doing this? Should I maybe close the shop? Like, I can't keep doing this. I can't keep working 2 jobs and burning myself out. So I did a poll on Instagram, just kind of being transparent and asking the confetti babes what they want to see more of, what don't they want to see, what's working, what's not. And I was like, please give me your honest feedback, because I want to buy and do things that you guys like. So that's been super. I feel like, I don't know, just the messages I was getting, it was really nice and reassuring, and hearing what people do love and don't like from the store. It's hard. I'm one person. I have Brad's feedback. Brad isn't the most stylish. He's the most handsomest, but he doesn't really know how to put together an outfit. So with that being said, it's pretty much all me. So doing the buying, and what I love, other people might not. So it's just always nice to have like a second opinion, which is why I really want to hire an assistant. But obviously I need to be making money to have an assistant. So it's just me. And again, Brad's really good with like the numbers and the back end stuff, but social media and buying and marketing, which he's good at that too, but fashion wise, it's all me, and I'm one person. So yeah, I don't know, I just been brainstorming and thinking of new ideas and the direction of where I want the store to go. I'm feeling really good about. So yeah, usually I do a new arrival every Thursday, and I think that has become pretty repetitive and it's not as exciting. So and it's a lot of work. So what I'm going to do is do a drop a month. So March, there's not going to be any more new arrivals. Then April, we will have a drop in April, which it gives me a little bit more time to be creative and not just shoot in front of a white backdrop. Once I get all the inventory, I can get creative and come up with a different collection, different marketing ideas as well. So when I have to shoot a new arrival every week, and I don't know, I just feel like I need to do something different because what I'm doing now isn't working. So yeah, anyways, Brad will be home soon, so I don't know how much I'm going to vlog. I'm going to a soccer game, which is very exciting, but I'm not gonna vlog that. But anyways, if there is anything to vlog the rest of the day, I will take you with me. Today's been pretty productive. I need to go switch over laundry, and then I'm pretty much good. I'm just gonna edit Sunday's YouTube video. Hey guys, so it is now Saturday. It's about 8:30 and I'm kind of running late just because I need to take out Riggins really fast, but it's fine. I still have plenty of time. But here's a little gym outfit I have spin right now. I've had the past few days off, so I'm ready to get back into it. Jacket is from Amazon. It's super cute and like lightweight, just to throw on. It's hard because in the springtime I like to get outside and walk as much as I can and just be outside, but I don't have like a lot of good jackets. A lot of my jackets are like going out pieces. Like I'm not gonna wear a leather jacket while I'm like walking the neighborhood, you know? So this is perfect for that. And then this tank top is from Nike, and my leggings are, wow, I'm dressed very bright, but my leggings are from Victoria's Secret. So spring is on my mind, but I do have to go, so I don't really know what, God, I need to fix my hair. What we have planned for the day. It's really crappy out, so we shall see. I gotta go run him out. It's starting to rain, so I'll check in with you guys later on. Wow, I look crazy. Hey guys, so it is now Sunday. It is like 2:30 in the afternoon. I've not been doing a good job vlogging. I apologize. But I did some shopping, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so yesterday, I think I did one clip, came home, took the best nap, and then went to the mall. Show you guys what I got. And then we went to the movies with our friends. We saw the new Batman, which it was good. I'm definitely a Christian Bale Batman type gal. But Robert Pattinson, Edward Cullen, he did a good job. It was just really freaking long. Like, I don't think any movie needs to be over 3 hours, but it was really good. Will I sit through it again? Probably not. But if you're into action movie and Batman and Robert Pattinson, then I recommend it. But again, like The Dark Knight, I feel like it doesn't even compare. Like, I can sit through that and I think it's just, wow, I look crazy. I feel like it's just as long, but this one was just really dragged out. But anyways, the mall. I just got candles because Bath & Body Works was having a sale. So I got 2 candles. Eucalyptus Rain, which smells amazing. It smells so good. Love this. It smells super clean. So it's eucalyptus, spearmint, and fresh spring rain. So good. I love the packaging. Love it. And then the second candle is not one that I would have picked up. I was just with my sister and I was telling her the candles that I got, and she was like, oh, I'm shocked you bought this one because it doesn't sound like a scent that I would like, but it's Orange Pineapple Punch. It smells like it would be like super fruity, but it's very clean and it is fruity, but it's not like over the top sweet like some of the other ones. So really good. This one is orange juice, pineapples, and vanilla sugar cane. So those are the 2 candles that I got. And then I just got 2 because my sister has her own candle business as well, which I'll link below for you guys. And I already bought some candles from her. I go through candles really fast, especially being home as much as I am, and I just love candles. So I have some coming from her as well, and I have some like still winter candles that I need to go through. So just got 2. And then I just went to Target. I got a lot of cleaning stuff, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. Actually, it was really good. It didn't get like any clothes, and I went to TJ Maxx, but I got things that I needed. So detergent, this was on sale for $4. Detergent is expensive, so when I saw this for $4, I was like, okay, I'm going to try that because I like that price, so we'll see. Then I got Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And then we also needed some Swiffer mops. I always just get the Target brand. They were just as good and they're cheaper. And then I got the dry cloths. I'm going to start cleaning after I need a shower. Trash bags, if you needed some. I just get the tall 13-gallon bags, and I like the fresh scent trash bags. And then I've seen this everywhere on TikTok, so I wanted to get one. It's a Scrub Mommy. So I'm going to use that, clean the shower. And then I got some Glade limited edition. Oh, I really like this smell. I didn't know it was limited edition, so I'll have to pick up some more. But this is the Cotton Cloud Dream. It just smells super fresh and clean, which I love when the house smells like that. It's super fresh and clean, like I've said 10 times. And then I just got toilet paper because I needed some. What else? Some Glade, it's a warmer. Oh no, scented oil plugins. Okay, I think that's right. I don't know why it says warmer. I don't know. This is what I got. Hopefully it's fine. And then some dish sponges. And that's it. That's everything that I got from Target. So, exciting stuff. And then TJ Maxx, again, got really things that I needed. I was pretty good. So the first thing that I got is this jar. So you can use this for like cookie jars. You can do, I've seen so many different things on TikTok. You can put like tampons, K-cups. I'm going to use this for, I have a lot of like liquid IV, like electrolyte powder. So I'm gonna fill this right now. Excuse me. I just have them like in the bag on the table. It just doesn't look cute. So I got this. It was only $3.99. So I got that. I also got a caramel macchiato with oat milk from Dunks. It's wicked good. They made it really good today. You never know with Dunks. Then I just got some girl stuff that you guys need to see. I got Regan's this, Little Lammy. Give it to him after. I'm shocked he's not in here. I got a hairbrush. I need a new hairbrush. Mine is very old, and this one was cute, and it was only $3.99. It's a Detangling Wet Brush. And you can use it for dry hair. I got this because I want to put my protein bars. Again, they're kind of just like thrown in the cabinet. So I figured I can use this to store some snacks or my protein bars. And this was only $2.99. And then I need to do laundry. I have so much that I need to do. The last thing that I got is this blueberry lemon home fragrance smell. It was $4.99. That's what it looks like. It smells really good. So that's everything. I feel like this is pretty good. It's all stuff I needed. So I'm going to start cleaning. I need to shower. I did spin this morning at 9 and I'm still in the clothes, which is really gross. So yeah, overall, pretty happy with everything that I got. Didn't get really anything that like I didn't need. Like I always need candles, and the more cleaning stuff, the better. You know, obviously I want a clean house. So I don't feel bad about going back there, even though I think every single video that I upload is me going to Target or TJ Maxx. But you know what? That's what I do. Okay. Anyways, I don't know how eventful the rest of the day is going to be because it is already 2:30 and I have a lot of work that I need to get done. So if there's anything eventful to show you guys, then I definitely will. But if not, I have a feeling there probably won't be. Make sure you subscribe. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. You know what? We're just going to end this vlog here. Let's just end it. But anyways, if you guys like Target and TJ Maxx hauls, then make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. And I will see you guys on Sunday with a new video. Bye!